How to access Chimple subjects. Once you enter user account, click on the top left corner subject icon. Select a subject among English, Maths, Hindi and digital skills. Once you select the subject, the child can play the game by following the path. Before the child starts learning any lesson, they have to give a baseline test. This way, the app decides the learning level of the child before they actually start learning. Once the baseline test is complete, the child can start learning journey by following the path and playing all the chapters as they appear. The child can access the next game only when he or she successfully completes the previous game. The path created for the child is to learn and earn rewards that will help them decorate the Chimple avatar. To understand and improve the learning experience throughout after every 3 to 4 lessons, there is a challenge. It is mandatory. The child has to score at least 70% or above, that is 2 stars, to access the next lesson. This way, the child, the parent and the teacher knows how he or she is performing. The child can also access the subjects without following the path. On the landing page of the user profile, select the More icon to access all the chapters. Every subject has chapters and every chapter has multiple lessons. If they need more practice on a topic, they can go back to the same chapters and relearn them. The green circle indicates the status of the activity, how much the child has managed to learn. When you further click on it, you can see which activities your child has completed successfully. The stars indicate the child's progress in each chapter. To learn a new chapter, the child has to successfully complete the challenge before proceeding. To view progress in a subject, select the subject. You will see the performance of your child. If you have more than one child and want to see your child's performance, log out from the user account. Click on the parent account, solve the puzzle. Under user, click on the report icon, toggle between the subjects to get a detailed understanding of your child's learning pattern.